open and see what's inside.
Sounds like fun. What are you doing?
If you must know, I'm tampering with your wiring. Next time Jarvis picks you up, you won't just be cute. You'll electrocute.
Stop it!
No, you're not the boss of me.
Fine, Bowie.
Oh no, the boss of me.
Yes, your hair smells like waffles.
They can't see what I'm doing to you.
Let's play hide and seek.
Good thinking. Where to hide you? Where to hide you?
Oh, hey, Mrs. Bupkis. I didn't realize you were cleaning in here. That doesn't sound like the proper Miskatanian you normally speak. Do you understand her?
No, but I don't understand any women.
Found you. Now find me. Mrs. Bupkis, do you have a Giggle Time Gus in your mouth?
Don't worry. I've got a plan to get him out.
Bowie, you made her swallow him.
I should have mentioned it's a two-part plan. Now we wait.
It's dark in here.
Head for the light at the end of the tunnel!
Something tells me Gus won't be giggling for long.
Buckle up and hold on tight. You and me on a wild ride. We're gonna own it and change the game. Together we'll make it all the way. Through all the ups and all the downs. We'll always find a way around. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. You got me. I got you. Here we go.
What are you doing? Two-player mode. I'm your biker babe.
Oh, darn, I drove off that bridge. I wonder how Mrs. Bupkis feels.
Kind of soft, and it's hard to get my arms all the way around her.
Not when you're playing the motorcycle game. Since she swallowed that Giggle Time Gus.
This is fun.
Not for me. Oh.
Mrs. Bupkis, are you feeling better?
She certainly isn't looking better.
Candace? You swallowed a Giggle Time Gus?
That's odd. So did Mrs. Bupkis.
I'm not surprised because you make such dangerous products.
Are you saying it's our fault you swallowed a toy?
Yes. Giggle Time Gus is dangerous, defective, and delicious.
So sue us!
I'm considering it.
You should. I think you have a very good case.
Unfortunately, it turns out I can't afford a lawyer on a cleaning woman's salary.
Cleaning woman's salary?
That's just an old expression. The point is, I'm reporting you to the city. This is an unsafe environment.
I wouldn't say it's unsafe. Sure, we've had a lot of injuries, but it's mostly Mrs. Bupkis. She's kind of a klutz.
Tell that to the safety inspector the city's going to send. He'll shut this place down once he sees it's run by a bunch of reckless kids.
Hey, this place is only run by one reckless kid. The rest of us just work here. For a cleaning woman's salary, mind you.
Piper, I can't understand this email you sent me. Who Gurko
You can't understand that? It says, I can't type wearing all this protective gear.
I know it's a pain, but until we pass that safety inspection, we need to be extra, ultra, super safe.
You should be thankful for that protective gear. The more of that outfit you cover up, the better. Why are the stairs chained off?
Stairs are a death trap. Did you know 100% of people who have fallen downstairs did so while using stairs?
Jarvis, don't you think you're taking this safety thing too far?
No, not at all.
We have to wear seatbelts to ride the elevator?
If you're tall enough. Little ones have to use a snug and comfy elevator safety seat.
This is actually pretty comfortable once you get over the humiliation.
Can you believe we have to wear this?
This is just what my mom makes me wear to walk to work.
Jarvis is taking this safety stuff way too far. He's banned all my favorite activities. Razor tag, scuba diving, and parashouting.
You mean parachuting?
No, parashouting. You jump out of an airplane and shout, "Look at me! I've got no parachute!"
Well, you'll just have to find a nice, safe hobby. Something like this.
The joy of knitting.
It's actually pronounced knitting.
I was joking. You don't think I can know that? I'm not a knucklehead.
Piper, can you show me how to use a cookbook? I think I did it wrong the first time.
What are you trying to make?
Cookies. I'm off to visit Grandma and thought I'd bring her a snack. She lives on the other side of the forest, so I'm gonna wear this in case it gets chilly.
I don't think you should be baking cookies.
I know what you're thinking. Cookies might be hard for an old lady to chew, but not for my grandmother. She has really big teeth.
I mean, I don't think you should be baking at all. Jarvis told us not to do anything dangerous.
Don't be silly. How is baking dangerous?
What are you doing?
Making chocolate chips. Pass me that can of cookie dough.
This isn't cookie dough. It's Kooky-Dough. A toy. You can't bake with this stuff.
Sure I can. I just have to add the other ingredients. Sugar. Baking soda. Yeast. Now we just wait for the dough to rise.
Wow, we didn't have to wait long. Geneva, do you realize what you've done? No. By adding yeast to Kooky-Dough, you made it reproduce.
Right here on the countertop? Ew! We eat off this thing.
The worst part about Kooky-Dough is that you're always losing pieces of it. This could make a great toy. Self-replenishing Kooky-Dough. I've got to tell Jarvis about this.
And I've got to tell Grandma. Never mind, she's probably already heard. She has really big ears.
See? This is safe and fun. And look what I made.
You're wearing a helmet and a hat?
Of course not. I'm not a dork. This is a helmet cozy.
Well, I think I've got a real knack for knitting.
Nice foot cozy. But you don't usually knit it right onto your foot.
Oh, I'll take it off. Ah!
Not no!
Don't worry, I'm wearing knee pads.
Jarvis, we have something to tell you.
Is it that you're sorry for running at an incredibly dangerous speed? Why can't you just listen? No one else around here is doing anything dangerous.
But we created a new toy.
I don't want you experimenting with anything. The inspector could drop in at any time.
But it's not even dangerous.
Unlike what Knox is doing.
Nice try, Piper.
You have to turn your head faster.
And risk getting whiplash? I don't think so.
This is so unfair. We should be able to sell the Kooky-Dough we made. It's perfectly safe.
And we have so much of it.
Oh no! I don't understand how this thing keeps growing. There must be some explanation. Think.
Hey, that's my smoothie.
The Kooky-Dough grows by consuming food just like we do. Maybe it'll shrink back down if we starve it.
That seems extreme. If it wants to lose weight, maybe it should try exercise.
Give me that smoothie.
Right, like arm wrestling.
Okay, since you somehow managed to turn knitting into bungee jumping, let's try an even safer hobby.
Like bungee crumping.
I was thinking something like bird watching. Something exactly like bird watching. Bird watching.
Whoa, what an awesome bird.
What does it look like?
It's white, kind of fluffy, and it looks like my parents fighting when I was little.
Knox, that's a cloud. And it doesn't look like that at all. It looks like my mom in a bathing suit. Try to spot an actual bird. Ooh, a golden crowned sparrow. Check.
Ooh, I see a bird.
Is it round, yellow, and actually the sun?
No, it's an eagle. Wow, these binoculars are incredible. It's like he's right next to me.
Don't move or make any bird sounds. It might think we're its babies.
What kind of bird sounds? Like, caw? Whoa! I can see the whole Knickknack building from up here.
I know bird watching ended up being dangerous, what with Knox being carried off in the razor-sharp talons of a man-eating bird. But this is one of the rarest species I've ever spotted. Medium-sized eagle. Check. Bowie, what do you think you're doing?
It's dangerous to stand by an open window.
This is the place. You can put your condemned sign here.
The safety inspector's here. Is everyone ready?
Yep.
Yup.
Yup.
Yup. Okay, yup-ish.
What is that?
Well, remember that toy we invented? Turns out it's less toy and more uncontrollable, ever-expanding, man-eating, bloodthirsty blob.
Ever expanding? It grows?
He's kind of an emotional eater.
The safety inspector is here. We've got to do something with this thing.
How about extreme bobsledding?
No extreme anything. And get rid of that egg.
But I was gonna make an extreme omelet.
Get him out of here. And get rid of that blob before. Where did it go?
I still think I word best.
Hello, and welcome to our ultra-safe, super harmless company.
I'm still farting out clumps of blue fur. Did you not read my original complaint? Because it really provides a context for that whole fur farting thing.
Don't listen to her. Everything at Knickknack Toys is perfectly safe. Let me show you around. Starting with, not this room.
Elevator bells. Nice.
I've got to keep you in here and out of trouble. Okay, Knox? Knox? Knox?
Yeah?
Okay, I want you to just sit here and do absolutely nothing.
That seems a little extreme. So I'm in! Can we do something while we do absolutely nothing? Like snakeboarding.
No! We need a simple, calm hobby. Something completely safe that won't lead to anything dangerous or destructive. Like twiddling your thumbs.
Fine.
This is the Toy Lab, where we make our incredibly fun, incredibly safe toys. Like our safety safe. The especially safe toy safe that keeps your safety items safe. Not that there's any need for safety glasses around here.
Did I just hear tapping?
Yes! That was just me tap dancing because I'm so happy about our safety record. Anyway, you've seen the Toy Lab. Let's go check out my ultra-safe office.
Stop twiddling your thumbs and help me put this out!
On second thought, offices are boring. Back in the elevator. Well, as you can see, like the rest of the building, it's perfectly safe up here. Anyway, that should wrap up your inspection. Why don't you exit by the back stairs with your eyes closed? They're just that safe.
Help! Help! We're all gonna die!
What?
She means we're all gonna die. Our hair.
We are? Yay! But we better hurry and do it before the giant blob monster kills us!
See, I told you this place was unsafe.
What is that?
I can explain.
Looks like you don't have to.
We can't just leave him in there.
Jarvis is right. The blob needs dessert.
No, we need to save him, even if it means getting shut down. If I don't make it back, remember me as a hero. A handsome hero. A statue might be nice. Something that really captures my handsomeness. Maybe put it over there in the grass so people can sit against it and eat their lunch in my handsome shadow.
No one can remember you if you don't leave.
Watch out behind you! I got you! Come with me!
That toy
Almost killed you.
is amazing!
What?
The worst thing about Kooky-Dough is that you're always losing pieces of it. Self-replenishing Kooky-Dough. My kids would love it.
Really? Great! We'll give you a lifetime supply. Here you go. On second thought, we'll send you some once we've tweaked the recipe.
But you need to shut them down. This place is dangerous.
Because they safety test their toys here before they release them to kids. Unlike the last owner, she sold all kinds of deadly toys. There was even this chemistry set that blew up some kid's house. I hated dealing with the old witch who used to run this place.
That was me.
Yes, I know. Do you mind? I'm trying to tell a story here.
guess things worked out. The purple blob smothered the fire in my office.
And the fire baked the Kooky-Dough into these delicious cookies.
So it was the yeast that made it grow?
I guess this means you can go back to doing extreme stunts again.
Dude, there's cookies.
Save some for my grandmother. We have thousands of them. How many cookies can your grandmother eat?
A lot. She's a big eater. One time she even ate my old grandmother.
No one's gonna stop her?
Giggle Time Gus is full of fun. He giggles when you try to get your homework done. He giggles when you are on a call. He giggles if you throw him against the wall. You can beat him and punch him and kick him in the head, but he'll keep giggling long after you're dead. Gus giggles, then giggles some more. Giggle Time Gus, no refunds. He's yours.
I'm P. Everett Knickknack. The P stands for... Put a sock